Can a minor be arrested? Here's what the law actually says. This is a question many parents and students worry about. Can a minor be arrested? The answer is yes, but not in the way adults are arrested, and definitely not without safeguards. Indian law treats children very differently, and that difference is important to understand. In India, a minor means anyone before 18 years of age. In India, a minor means anyone below 18 years of age. When a child is accused of committing an offense, the law does not see them as a criminal first. It sees them as a child in need of care, reform, and protection. This approach comes mainly from the Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Act 2015. Now, here's the key part. A minor cannot be arrested like an adult. The police are not allowed to handcuff a child or put them in a lockup. Instead of arrest, the law uses the term apprehension. This may sound like wordplay, but it reflects a very real difference in treatment. If a child is caught committing an offense or is accused of one, the police must immediately inform the child's parents or guardians. The child must then be produced before the Juvenile Justice Board, not a regular criminal court, and this must be done within 24 hours. Another important point, detention is the last option. In most cases, the child is released to the custody of their parents or a probation officer. The idea is to ensure the child continues school and normal life while the case is being examined. What about serious crimes? This is where many people get confused. If a child between 16 and 18 years commits a heinous offense like murder or rape, the Juvenile Justice Board conducts a preliminary assessment. They examine the child's mental capacity, understanding of consequences, and circumstances of the offense. Only if the board is satisfied can the child be tried as an adult. But even then, the process begins with the juvenile system. The law is clear that children are not meant for punishment but for reform. The focus is on counseling, rehabilitation, and social integration, not revenge. So, yes, a minor can be taken into custody but with dignity, care, and legal protection. Knowing this helps parents, teachers, and students understand that the law aims to correct, not crush young lives. Because when it comes to children, justice means giving them a second chance. Thank you so much for watching the video.